Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, then welcome. I hope that you will subscribe. So today what I have for you is a desk tour video. I recently remade over my desk area, so I wanted to share it with you, and hopefully in the future I will have more things to share for you as I continue to furnish and decorate my apartment. So the chair that I have here at my desk is actually from Ikea, and it's called a Tobias chair. You can get it for $100, or you can check and see if anyone is selling any used ones. I got mine on Kijiji for $25 each. This lamp I got from HomeSense like 3 years ago. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I'm sure I didn't pay any more than $25 for it. Winners always has really good deals. And these are my plants, which since I filmed this, my aloe plant has died, RIP. This is the Mickey file cabinet drawer from Ikea. It was surprisingly cheap. It was only $70, and it's great because I can store a lot of miscellaneous crap in here. There is so much storage, and it has proven to be so beneficial because a lot of little like techie stuff like laptops and USBs and stuff that I didn't know where to put has now found a place. And my favorite thing about this cabinet is that it has a built-in filing drawer, and I love it. I got to eliminate my old one and reorganize all important files right here where it belongs, hidden. The file folders I got on Amazon Basics for $15. I will link that below. Over here I keep my different notebooks. So I actually have a gratitude journal, which I like the concept of it, but I don't really use it as much as I wish I did. Every day it prompts you to write down what you're grateful for and make your to-do list, write out your schedule, and then also write out a list of daily goals. And then it has a section over here as well for notes. This is my journal. Of course, it's fluffy, and I just use this to empty my brain. And this is my beloved agenda, which I love so dearly. I really hope to find another agenda like this. So it has obviously the months organized for me. Every month has a monthly calendar, which I need in every agenda that I have, and then I also need a section for notes and a section for like daily stuff. All three of these notebooks I got from Winners/HomeSense. Anytime I have cute notebooks, it always comes from there. Over here I just use these papers that I created to organize my monthly expenses so I can make sure that I'm not going broke. This cute book I also got from Winners, and it's actually a storage box in the shape of a book, and I just use this to store more miscellaneous BS that I have around my desk. On the wall above my desk, I actually decorate with my Caravana wings from my Caravana costume. These ones were from 2019, these from 2017, and this one is from 2018. These costumes were very expensive, so I kept my wings from every year and I hang it on the wall. Obviously, I gotta hang my degree above my desk, and this print is called Soca or Die. It's by Natalie, and I just thought it fit perfectly with this wall, as you can see, because it's got the whole carnival vibe going with my feathers. The best desk makeover videos are always gamers' desks, so I had a look at a couple of gamer desk videos, and what I liked the best about their videos was always the LED lights. So I'm gonna link below where I got my LED lights. I got them on Amazon for $25.99, and I really like them. I usually just leave them on purple. I really like my desk setup. I don't need two chairs, but I have had these two chairs from how I used to have my desk, and I just don't want to get rid of the chair because I really like it. So I use an iMac and a Wacom for how I do my work. I'm sure, yeah, I know it's pronounced Wacom. I pronounce it Wacom, but that's how I create my illustrations. We use this all the time in college to do our work, and honestly, I couldn't leave college without it. So that was my college graduation gift to myself, and I have definitely got my money's worth. This mouse pad I got on Amazon, and it's not like a regular size mouse pad. It covers a pretty large surface area, which works perfect for me because I don't really have a big surface area for my desk, and it was $24. I will link this below as well. And I also got this glass monitor stand off of Amazon as well. This was $45.99. I will link this below, but I don't recommend to buy this exact model. I would actually recommend for you to just take one that does not have a USB connection on the side, because I took that and it doesn't work on my computer. I think it's because I have the Wacom screen and it's just too many things connected, but I wouldn't recommend this one. I would recommend to take a cheaper one, like a more basic plain glass. But ultimately it functions as a space saver, so that has been worth it, because I don't like having a big desk. I have a small apartment, so I want a small desk, and this works great for me. Let's just rewind for a second there. I forgot to mention these two bins here I got from Ikea. I think they're called Drona. They were $5.99. I got these a long time ago. They fit well into some kind of cabinets. I don't have those cabinets anymore, but the bins can still serve a purpose, so I put it under my desk and just store organized mess. I think it's my file folders and like my tripod. Lastly, my desk I also got from Ikea, but they don't make this anymore, and it's also not a desk. It was called the Malm occasional table, and I love it because it has wheels, it can roll forward and back, it is multi-purpose, like it can be a console table. Honestly, I will never get rid of this desk unless I replace it with something exactly the same, because I didn't even buy this from Ikea. I actually bought this off of someone from Kijiji because it was discontinued when I wanted it. And I know that one day I have a house, I'm gonna want this to use it over my bed. I am. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you. What did you think? Do you like my desk? Well, I mean, if you don't, whatever, I like it. So I'm still furnishing my apartment, slow and steady, because furniture is expensive, and we balling on a budget. Right now, I'm currently redecorating my bedroom. Got a new bed, so I'm really excited to finish decorating the bedroom, and when it's done, I definitely want to share that on YouTube as well. So if you liked this video and you want to see more like it, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure that you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you know the next time that I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.